Hello, people. It's like I've always enjoyed this fish pedicure that you get in Manjira Mall, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. For those who are watching the video elsewhere from out of Hyderabad. So you have the fish pedicure at Manjira Mall and also in Orbit Mall, right? So it's like I've always fantasized it'll be so nice if I'm able to look after this doctor fish at home so that I can get a fish pedicure at home. But right now what I'm getting is even better because it's like I'm getting a baby duck pedicure since these baby ducks are sitting by my feet and sitting and it's the most. I've not had more fun in a long time as much as with these two little souls on the same bed as me. I'll change the bed sheet and all, I'll put it for washing and I'm going on wiping the kind of poop they do. But I think this is the best way to keep them in, like when I'm allowing them to walk on the ground, they are like pooping all across. But if they poop on the bed and all, you can uh, just get rid of it, wipe it with the thing and then put the thing for washing, of course. But why is this video meandering? But no, it's just such a divine feeling to have these little. I wish I could show you all the thing, but no, it's crazy. I mean, they're sitting by my feet, and I'm feeling so sweet, so amazing. But seriously, people, this is a long video, but uh, I would highly recommend getting baby ducks as pets because they can change your life. I mean, I used to think dogs are nice, but get baby ducks, yeah, and you will fall in love. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.